Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon X and why on RetroArch. First, understand that RetroArch is a versatile program that hosts various emulator cores. To play these specific games, you'll need a core designed for the Nintendo 3DS system. Additionally, it's crucial to legally obtain your Pokémon X or Y game ROM file before proceeding with the setup process. Next, let's get the necessary components. Within RetroArch, navigate to the online updater and download the Citra core, which is specifically designed for Nintendo 3DS emulation. Make sure your Pokémon X or Y game ROM is in a compatible format, such as a 3DS or CCI file. Place this file in a clearly organized folder on your computer for easy access later. Now, let's launch your game. Open RetroArch and select the Load Content option from the main menu. This will allow you to navigate through your computer's file system. Locate the folder where you saved your Pokémon X or Y ROM file. Once found, select the ROM and then choose the Citra core from the list to begin playing your adventure. Finally, optimize your gameplay experience. You can fine-tune video and audio settings within RetroArch to achieve smoother performance and better sound quality. Take time to configure your controller to your liking, ensuring a comfortable and responsive gaming session. Remember to save your game progress, often using the in-game save features to avoid losing any valuable progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.